Alright guys, I have completed part 2, that is day 2 of the Squirrel Stapler. So this is day 3 and let's get started. And before getting started, I just want to quickly apologize and give a heads up. Actually, if you have any video or audio disturbances, I apologize in advance. And let's just get into it. Okay, this is day 3. Still no idea what this is, and I don't know where the big squirrel is. I don't know what happened to it. Okay, let's just get into it. And before that, I think this will change, right? Okay. Verse 3. Rather like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has. Okay, but the faithless man has no nuts to store. Yeah. I. Okay, let's just continue. Let's just continue. That was weird. Like who's writing these, man? Like is God? I don't think God's gonna write that, but man, that was funny. And it's still 5 days. Is this supposed to be like this? Always 5 days? Because I think pretty much it should be, or maybe two. I don't know. Day 3. Okay. Wow. Okay, I thought that's a big squirrel. Squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. Wait. Something was scratching on the windows. Oh shit, I missed it. If you guys, I think you guys can read it, right? Use the map, use the call, be careful, large predators will investigate loud noise. Okay. So today, day 2, we have ghosts and now we have predators. And thanks for the squirrels. And still that freaking noise, I can't see. Like in day 1, I think we don't have that noise, right? We didn't have it. From day 2 we are getting the noise. I'm not sure I want to. Wait, why do I have these squirrels this close? Something's not right. These are pretty close. Let's just shoot. Missed it. Okay, where is it? Okay, I thought that was a squirrel, my mistake. Wait, I'm coming. Hey, what the? Is that a squirrel? Was that a squirrel? What is this? Squirrels use chemosensory. Like, dude, what? Let me read, okay? Let me read. To identify food, then track it with the whatever. This is just useless for me. Dude, the amount of health that is gone. Like it's. If I get 4 hits, I'm done, I think. What's that? Let's just keep moving. I think day 3 takes some time. Yes. Done. But where is the ghost? Where is the ghost? Okay, let's just run. Where's the ghost? Where's the ghost? Is there a ghost? No? No ghost? Nothing? Okay, let me just take those bullets and... Okay... I think I read this one, right? Or no? Squirrels can regenerate. Okay. Wait. I don't think that's a useful thing for me. Sorry. Okay. I don't like it. I don't like that sound. That's not a squirrel. And what got me earlier? I didn't see a ghost. Yup. Where is it? Oh shit, I forgot, I have to reload it. It's gone. Like, bro, why this reload shit is very annoying. Okay, it's here. I can hear you, but I can't see you. Where are? Yep. Man, I'm good at hunting squirrels. A bonus? Did I get 2 squirrels? I don't know. But I hear something. What? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I didn't see it, but good thing I got it. Okay. Can't get me now, bro. What the hell was that? Okay, I need to get some help. Bro, I'm down. I'm almost dead. Okay. Let me just take a quick breath. That was stressful. Okay, moving on. I need to get one big squirrel. I'm done. Come on, just one big squirrel, and I'm. Look at me. I can't even pronounce correctly. Bro, what the hell was that? I didn't see it. I just shot at it. I just reacted to it, but I didn't see it. I don't want to see it again. I don't want to see that. Is that a big squirrel? No. Is it? I heard it. Bro, I was almost dead. Like, I didn't realize it. That's... Wait. Is it here? I need a big one. I got all the small ones. I need a big one. I need a big squirrel. Is the... No, I don't think so. Dude, I hear footsteps. I don't think those are my footsteps. That's a big... is that a big one? I don't think that's a big one. Is that a big one? Just one big squirrel, come on. I think it... Okay, I think I lost it. Come on, one big... Can't hear you. Can you say that again? Okay, I think it's coming from this direction. Dude, the red thing was terrifying. I didn't see it. Lucky. I was lucky I didn't see it, but let's... Dude, one big squirrel. Why is it so hard to find it? I just need one, just one. That's a big squirrel, right? Yeah, that's gotta be a big one. Yup. Yeah, you're not a big one. Whoa. Yeah, yes, that's a big one. Yup. Oh, yes. Ah, shit, why the fuck? Dude, this... I keep forgetting that I have to reload. Whoa. Did I see a ghost? I think that was a ghost. Wait, so do big squirrels have big ghosts and they take more health? They eat more health, I guess. Wait, I think that's a ghost. Nope, I'm just overthinking at this point, but I thought it's going to take a lot of time, but luckily it didn't take up that much of time. Okay, let's just get back to our home. Where am I? Okay, near it. Yep. Wow. Wait. I thought I heard something. Nothing? Okay. Let's just get inside and... Hey, honey, I got more squirrels for you. Oh, dude, what? Wait. How did you get here? Did I place you here? Wait, let me just check. Did I put you there? How? What? Okay, 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 okay. Dude, did I put you there or did you move? But hey, you still gotta have those squirrels. Still no big squirrel, but yep. Okay, not sure what you're eating there, but continue. I'm just going to... Can I join you here? I don't think I can, but... Good night, honey. I'm just going to go to sleep. Let me just give you a good night kiss there. Okay. Yep, still no head. Okay, let's just... Okay, I think I already read the verse 3. Please don't be here. Please don't be here. She's not here. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you in day 4. Bye bye. And I'm sleeping.